Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will test those Crafter's Choice pearl paints. It's been a while since I was in studio because I had some pain in my right hand, so I hope that I will not get worse. It will not get worse after this pour, but I really want them to try those paints out. I never use them. They are nice and thick when you pour them out of the bottle. I of course mix them with my pouring medium. You have all links into the description box. This is the blue one. It's beautiful. And I will just do a wandering straight pour, jiggle pour, I don't know, just a basic. So I will just layer my paints into this cup, and maybe this is too big for this and I don't like how it looks. I will use this one. So I will start with some pearl red, pearl yellow, pearl green. So I hope that they will mix together a little bit too and get some orange, teal, some, I don't know, other colors, violet. And I will add a little bit of black here in the middle, not a lot. My hand was not good today. Okie doke. Yep. So I will, since the weight of the paint is already here, I will tilt this part off first. They look beautiful for now. We will see how they will dry. Okey-doke. So now I want to tilt this part off because it's just not something that I would like. And I'm not a big fan of this part either. So let's try to get rid some of this part. Yeah. I like it. I wonder how this will dry because of all the pearls. Definitely the most dominant color of the pearls that I ever worked with, because pearls are normally not visible while wet. Yeah, I like it. I will try to turn on the lights that maybe we can see some shimmer and take it down for a close-up. So here she is. I really like those parts that has all the rainbow colors in them. The blue and the violet were definitely kind of dominant. I don't think that I added more of those into the cup. I don't know. But I really like it. I wonder how this will dry. As I said, I didn't have time to paint, so you will have to wait to my next video. And I still have some paints in my cup left, so I will definitely do another experiment with them and show you the dried results of both in my next video on Friday, same time on my channel. And my hand was definitely not okay still, but I just wanted to paint, so yeah. Thanks for being here, and see you again on Friday when I will show you the dried results. Bye!